What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the iSwift PowerCloud. Now, this is a power strip with a modern look that helps in organization, reducing clutter, and improving accessibility. This device also features USB ports and LED indicators. As for this video, it's featured on the Unboxed, Explained, and Demoed playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. On that note, iSwift sent this product to us for this unboxing and review. Now, you can find this item and related items at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. The back of the package lists the basics. These include a maximum 65 watt high-speed charging for the USB ports, a maximum charge of up to 6 devices at the same time, and adapter free, meaning that it's cable only charging to laptops. Contents are minimal. First we have the PowerCloud, and then we have product information underneath. The PowerCloud comes in a white gloss plastic casing which has a fitting cloud-like appearance. There are black accents on the unit as well as a small touch of green. We also have small traces of iSwift branding as well as PowerCloud branding. Overall weight of the PowerCloud is good, which is important because it'll prevent the device from being pulled off of a table or a desk, unlike other power outlets which are normally light in weight and are easily pulled around. And as a preventative measure, on the base of the housing are also silicone strips which aid in grip to prevent it from sliding around and being scratched or scratching other surfaces. So let's talk power options, which includes 3 AC outlets on the top. And as for the front, we have 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. As for the power cord, it exits out of the back of the PowerCloud, so it's hidden when placed on a surface. And this cord actually looks pretty good. It's pretty thick and it's got a solid connection going into the PowerCloud. Talking more about the cord, it's plenty long, coming in at about 5 feet, which is a plus for routing. And it also features a 90-degree plug, which is beneficial for keeping the plug against the wall, but also keeping the cord protected as it comes out the plug, and also providing the benefit of allowing you to press furniture up against it without causing any damage to the cord or requiring extra space between the plug and your furniture. And in the event that the cord might be too long, there's also an included Velcro tie wrap to organize the cable and keep it shorter so that excess isn't hanging down or showing from your setup. The PowerCloud provided me a few benefits. First, allowing me to minimize my outlet. Second, it improved access to my cables by placing them in arm's reach on my desk, which meant no bending or kneeling to switch items in or out. Cables can also be routed behind the PowerCloud once they're plugged into the outlets, allowing for organization and hiding. I found this complete kit fits perfectly into a computer setup due to its modern technical appearance and compact size. An AC outlet button controls power to the outlets and features an indicator which glows white, which is best seen at night, and this button has good travel and click noise feedback. The outlets work great for powering devices such as a desktop, lamp, or smart speaker. The USB LED indicator is a long green bar that illuminates when devices are connected and charging. This makes it easy to see at night and looks nice. An interesting note, the LED indicator will still illuminate if the AC outlet button is off as long as USB devices are connected and charging. Now, the USB-C ports were able to charge my Chromebook and fast charge my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 at the same time. When plugging in a USB-A powered headphone stand, my Chromebook remained charging, but my Z Fold 3's charging speed was reduced to normal. This makes sense because the 65 watts is divided between ports as devices are plugged in. So let's wrap things up. Overall, the iSwift PowerCloud has a clean, modern appearance which is perfect for any desk setup. Now, it's also a plus this device helps with cable management and accessibility while powering half a dozen devices at the same time. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way to show your support is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe or follow button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are your ways to vote on if you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon, check in out.